Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go from sick to sun-kissed really quickly. So if you're interested, then just continue to watch. So dangerous, I get this rush. Hi guys, so if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette. I'm a mom of 2 boys and I do 3 videos a week on all sorts. I do hauls and fashion and beauty and lots of other things. So if that's something you're interested in, there's a little subscribe button down here somewhere in red. I would love for you to click that button and stick around. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make yourself look better with makeup really quickly. I've actually been poorly all week, but I felt really sick, and the last thing you want to do is put makeup onto your face, and also your skin can be really dry when you're ill. So I just thought I'd show you a couple of things that I use and some nice hints and tips to make you look better when you're feeling a bit under the weather. Okay, so this is me with zero makeup on now. As you can see, I'm not looking great. My eyes are pretty red and puffy. My lips are very dry. My skin is very dry. My throat is very sore. Number 1 tip is to hydrate your skin and your lips as much as possible. When you're ill, if you don't keep your fluids up, your skin dries out very quickly. Okay. So I have to be really careful with what I use on my skin. So I always use my simple light moisturiser. However, they do a rich moisturiser, which is quite nice as well if your skin is really dry. Just so refreshing. Because I'm not feeling great, I don't really want a fake tan, but what I will normally do is probably put some tanning drops in my moisturiser. So I use these by Skinny Tan. I've had them for ages, and as you can see, there's like hardly any gone. So yeah, these you just put a couple of drops into your moisturiser and put it on your face. I do need a little bit more colour. Normally I put my foundation on first and then my concealer, but when I'm poorly I try to eliminate a lot of the red patches on my face before I do my foundation. So for this I'm going to actually use this. I got it from Superdrug. It's the MUA Pro Base palette. I don't use this very often because it's a really quite thick concealer, I find, but it's got the different shades inside, and I really like this for days like today, because I think you can use like the different shades around your face to brighten them up. I use the really light shade. I will use this for under my eyes. I will use this shade, which is like a little darker. I will use that for like the bits around my nose that are really red, around my lips here. It's up to you where you put your concealer. I'm just putting it in the areas that I am blotchy and red, and I'm just going to blend that in with fingers. Is that you can see already my eyes are starting to look a lot brighter and the redness has definitely died down. So now I'm going to go in with my normal foundation that I use, which is actually a BB cream. I won't ever use anything heavier on my face, and on every day I like to use the BB cream. I really like the dewy finish it gives, and I think that's really nice as well when you've been poorly, because you don't want to block up those pores. You just want to keep it nice and fresh, and so it can breathe. If I use a foundation, I do use a brush. When I use BB cream, I just use my fingers, because it technically is just like a moisturiser, so it's really nice to rub into the skin. And then that is the basis of my makeup now. A BB cream is actually like a colour correcting moisturiser, so it will initially take out those reds. So the next thing I need to do is give myself some colour. So I am really quite pale, as I say. I've put my fake tan drops on, but I'm going to use now some bronzer. So I've been using the Makeup Gallery Good to Glow bronzer, which is actually from the Pound Shop. And I'm going to use my big blusher brush to put this all over my face and give myself some extra colour. So now my bronzer is all over, I'm going to use a darker colour to do some contouring, and I'm going to use my Lacora Aldi palette. It's like a highlight and glow palette, like the Charlotte Tilbury one, and I'm just going to use some of the darker one to do some definition. The important is to give yourself a bit of glow so that you look a little bit more awake. Thing I need to do is make myself more awake, and this can be really difficult when you've been poorly because your eyes are really puffy if they're anything like mine. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm actually been using the Pound Shop eyebrow palette. It's a little lighter than like the tattoo brow pomade that I normally use, and it just gives more of a natural look. And I think when you've been poorly, you don't really want to cake your makeup on. You want to feel really just like you're not wearing anything. So I really like this powder. I use a little bit of the dark brown and the darkest dark brown, and like, this is like a black colour. So I use mainly the dark brown and some of like the black just to do my edges. And that is it. Like I say, nice and light, nice and natural. And now I'm going to work on my eyes. Couple of tips with eyes when you've been poorly. You want to make your eyes look really big, and so you don't really want to wear dark eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with literally just like this nudie colour in my Body Shop Down to Earth palette, and I'm going to do that all over my lid. And then I'm going to go in with the Rose Quartz shade and just do my brow bone. Okay, and that is all I'm going to put on my lid. When you start putting colours on your lid, it can close up your eyes, so you want to keep it very basic, very natural. You don't want to put any liner or mascara on your bottom lashes because that will again make your eyes like more closed. You want to just try and accentuate your top eyelashes by first of all giving them a curl and then using a mascara. I use the Max Factor Masterpiece Mascara in shade Black. And that is that. Finally is lips. Lipstick, unless it's really moisturising, can again dry your lips out. So I like to use just some Carmex lip balm and really plaster it on my lips. You want to get, like I say, as much hydration into your skin as you can, and drink lots and lots of water. Okay, and that is it. That is my Sick to Sunkissed makeup. I really hope you liked this video. I really just wanted to do it because I felt so poorly, and I just thought, why not take this opportunity to show you how you can make yourself look a little better. So if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around, and until next time guys, take care. Bye.